What's good, peeps? We are back for another day. It is Monday, okay? Came back from work. I'm ready, hyped. I'm prepared for what price has to offer me. I'm ready in two trades right now, two sells. I'm actually very early. I usually trade, like I said, 6 p.m. I'm trading like 5:30-ish, a bit before that now, just because there's better opportunities now. You gotta always adapt to the market. I say this now, and it could just be fucked when I look at the charts. But anyway, guys, if you guys enjoy this, hit that like, subscribe. And if you guys aren't already in Traders headquarters, down below is the link. Disclaimer, I'm not profitable. That's my goal. And you guys can come with me down below. Anyway, let's get to it. Okay, I could be fucked here. I'm not gonna lie. For GU, it's not looking good. Took in a sell right here. Price kind of faked me out. Don't like how it's looking. I may take out just from how it's looking. I don't like it. It's doing the range, but I was expecting price just to break through to the downside. It could also grab up here, so I may have to open up my stop loss a bit more. Price to recover, or I can just literally just take out, which I'm gonna give it some time. I don't like it. I decided not to take out. The reason why is because this is my strategy. I would have probably taken a sell here. If not, I would have waited to be patient. But in this case, price just finessed the fuck out of me, and I would not like price to do just a clean one. But I'm just gonna maybe extend my stop loss. I'm gonna try that out because I expect price just to grab this area right here and then push down. Whenever it does that, it's beautiful. If price wants to shoot up, then I'm fucked. I mean, if price pushes down now, it's beautiful as well. But I forgot to tell you, I took a sell on GU and I took a sell on EU. EU looks like a better sell, to be honest, but GU is kind of just messing up. So yeah, guys, we've already lost one on GU. That is unfortunate. So it's tough. GU was just a shitty trade, the shittiest trade I've seen in my life. Could have done better by waiting for a better opportunity. But in this case, GU just disrespected me, pushed to the downside, broke me. For EU though, we're gonna hold EU all the way to either stop loss or take profit. We're gonna see what happens, because I do believe EU is gonna push down still. But yeah, guys, we're just gonna wait and see. I'm probably gonna take a little nap. We're gonna see what happens, and that's that. Perfect. Price is pushing down. GU's a cunt. Let's just put that out there. GU's a cunt. It whipped me out and pushed down. This totally made sense. I needed to have a bigger stop loss. Could have had a better entry up there too. Yeah, this is looking really nice. We do expect price to continue going down. We're gonna bring our stop loss probably above here. We're gonna close it in already at 7.2. We don't expect price to come back up all the way. This was just our foolishness for GU. GU, literally all I had to do was either have a bigger stop loss, which I was thinking. I just wanted more. This is completely my fault. We took a stupid L right here. I'm not gonna get in. I'm just gonna learn my mistake, because price can still reverse. EU, I like how EU's looking. We're gonna expect price to at least get down here. That's a 1, 2, 3 we're looking at. But price can go up first a bit more before it comes back down. That's what I'm also expecting of price. And if price decides to take me out in this trade, we're gonna wait till New York, because New York has a lot more in store for us, where it can grab liquidity on EU. And for GU, it's just gonna, I guess, go up to this monthly open price before it pushes down. That's what we're really expecting. Price ain't really acting how we want it to act. It's just doing its thing. It's just thinking. But right now, price, it's in a good area for EU. We're in a good sell position for EU. GU, we just could have done way better. We're just so impatient. That's something we have to fix. Yeah, EU just chilling. We gave it a lot of space. Now we're just gonna hold this, see what happens. Alright guys, just telling you what's happened. So you know how I took a complete L on that depressing L? Well, funny enough, EU was in a range, so I managed to get out break even. Look at this, guys. Look at this. You guys judge for me if I should have stayed into this range. I think, like right now for EU, I'm gonna wait for price to literally grab liquidity from here, take a sell, and if price goes on without me, then it is what it is. Still, I don't like ranges, guys. Remember that. I do not like ranges. I don't like being in a range. I like getting the top, and that's it. I don't like being in a range. So in this case, guys, we're literally just going to wait for price to grab the top area of the range. That's what we expect price to do. Grab the top, and just depending on how price acts, we'll take a sell from down here. We are essentially repositioning our trade at the top of the range, so we have a better entry. And yeah, for GU's just fucked at this point. I don't know what GU's doing. It's actually tweaking. Possibly once GU starts ranging as well, I may just take a sell as well. But right now, it's in a pretty good area to take another sell, but it looks like it doesn't want to. So I'm probably gonna stay out of GU, honestly. It's not looking nice, but EU is actually looking more understandable, more readable. But yeah, I took one L right now. I'm just gonna wait, guys, be patient now, and that's really how it's gonna be. I'll let you guys know what happens, if I take a sell here or not, and let's see. Guys, I am back a few hours later, and I just want to explain the trade that I'm in right now. I do expect price to push down quite a lot. You can say we're going for a 1 to 2, depending on how price reacts. And the reason why I'm going for this trade with a 21 pip stop loss is for a few reasons. One reason is because this is phase 2 currently right now. Price is currently grabbed both liquidities, the range liquidity and also the previous here, which I'll just label for you right now with the yellow line. it grabbed two liquidity areas which are pretty serious. They're pretty serious liquidity areas, but we can still expect price to push all the way up here to grab this big liquidity before it pushes down. There is no news whatsoever, so price at this point in time can act a bit weird due to the fact that it's just before New York. That's one. And two, there is no news. When there's no news, price acts way less normal. But right now it's in a really good place. And what we expect price to do, if price does not want to push down right now, we do expect price to push all the way back up here, grab this liquidity. And once price grabs this liquidity, what we expect to do is we actually expect another trade right here. If price presents me with an opportunity, I'm literally going to take another sell right here, and it's going to be really cracked. Let's just say it's going to be a really cracked trade. If price decides to call it a day, then we call it a day. If price decides to continue pushing up and takes both of my stop losses out from both my trades, then it is what it is. So yeah, that's my plan, guys. My plan is for price to either push down here. I simply get like a 1 to 3 if price decides to continue pushing down and grabs this bottom liquidity here. It's a 1 to 4 actually. And if price does not decide to do that, we expect price to push up here, grab this liquidity and enter in one more trade, probably same stop loss. From this, we expect price to push down. And once it does, we're actually gonna have a way more favorable take profit in any area due to the fact that we have 2 trades in. One is at a way better position. We can literally refinance this position and previous position to the point where we're in profit and we're just letting this one run. But in this case, that's what we expect price to do. We either expect price to push down now just because of what it's done. It's grabbed both liquidities. We could expect price to come all the way up the top, grab this top liquidity, which is pretty heavy for our sellers, and for phase 3 to push down. So it's just adding to this, guys, just adding to this. Price has not hit daily open yet, but only at the start it's hit daily open. And usually in these situations, it's a good area to take a sell. And that's why I think price is going to push down now. And let's just see what happens. This is currently what's happening in GUUSD. I've gotten the trade. I'm just waiting at this point and it's taking too long. So I may have to just tell you guys the results tomorrow because I have to go to bed early today just so that I can get to work on time and have some sleep. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, check out headquarters down below. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow for Tuesday's trade. Hopefully we get something better. Right now, as we stand, we are $25 negative from the first stupid trade that we took. If we were just more patient, we would have had a better setup and we would have been at a better area. And we would have probably still been out, but you know, it would have just been better. Anyway, y'all, peace.